Buffett, do we all see what is happening here? I don't think you understand what is going on. The greatest football script is being written right in front of our eyes, right? And we get to witness it. And as Messi fans, we get to sit in the front row and watch it unfold and go through the emotions. But I wish I had enough words to articulate just the raw emotion I'm feeling right now, because this is what football is about. This is what it's always been about, right? It's the story behind it, the inspiration behind it. Now, this Argentinian team is probably the most resilient team I have seen in my life. And that is the sort of team you write stories about. In each round in these knockout phases, Argentina were up against it, bruh. Against Cape Verde, we go up, they equalize. We go up, they equalize. You think, nah, it's not meant to be. If it goes to penalties, Virginia probably wins them the game, right? But we go through miraculously. We don't even have to get to penalties. Against Egypt, we were 2-0 down with 10 to 15 minutes to go, right? They had been disallowed a goal, which restored our hopes a bit. But Egypt went on to score again and brought the scoreline back to 2-0. So we all felt like this is it. Egypt are playing so well. They are defending so well. There is no way Argentina even get a single goal in this game. They go on to get three within the 90. Didn't even have to go to extra time. Do you understand how ridiculous that is? You understand the character it takes within the team to be able to achieve such a great feat. And you think they are done, but they didn't do it once, they didn't do it twice, they did it again in the quarterfinals against the Switzerland now, right? They go 1-0 up in the first 10 minutes and everyone is relaxing. They think, we have the game in control. Switzerland come back in the second half. 70th minute, they score the equalize. They look threatening to score more goals, but fortunately, miraculously, Embolo decides to dive. He gets a red card. His team is one man down, and they were not going to last another 30 minutes against the Argentina, right? Eventually, they lose that game 3-1 on extra time. Another miracle. Third, and you think that was it. Bro, they meet England in the semi-final of the FIFA World Cup. England are not just any other team. They have some of the finest players in that squad, right? So when they are up within the last 10 minutes of the game, our hopes were lost and gone yet again, right? But those boys on the pitch kept on believing that we've done this once, we've done this twice, we've done this 3 times. We are going to do it again the 4th time. Do you understand the purity that lies in that story? Just true inspiration. These are the type of stories we brag about when we are old and we say we got to witness this, right? And the nicest part about this all is that we are on the right side of history as Messi fans. We will tell this story rejoicing instead of being bitter and complaining about rigged World Cup. It's so fulfilling, man. It's so fulfilling that Messi, this is how he gets to bow out as a footballer at the biggest stage in a FIFA World Cup. This is the dignity that he has always been warranted, not just by Barcelona fans, PSG fans, but by Argentinian fans. And now the whole entire world. 39 years old, going into his 3rd World Cup final as a defending champion this time. They don't write them like this, boys. They do not write football scripts like this. This one is straight from heaven, straight from above. Unbelievable stuff, bro. Whoa.